Hey guys, it's Sparks here. So today I will be showing you how to download PES 2017 or Pro Evolution Soccer for free. Okay, a quick disclaimer. If you want to support the game developers, you can download game, but if you don't want, you can download it for free. Okay, before you download, you need to download views first. These views. It is like uTorrent but better. You need also Power ISO. Okay, and these two are just free. I will also leave the link in the description below. After you install these two, you need to head over to this link. I will also leave the link in the description, and you need to choose this torrent one, and it will get you to ZP. No, sorry guys, it's not working the link. Let's try another torrent. Okay, this is working. So you just need to select download. Okay, and you see open with views, the uTorrent one, and it will automatically open the views for us. We just need to wait. This is the files. You need to click OK. Then you need to wait for the files to download. And guys, this game is huge, guys. The size is 10 GB, so the speed might be slow. It depends on your internet connection. After you downloaded the files, you need to download another file. Is the crack fix. There's problem with the crack. Let's try. Okay, you just need to select download. Because there's problem with the crack, so we need to download it. You just need to open it. Okay, now you got the two files. Now what you're gonna do is you just open the file location. This is the file. So you need to open with Power ISO. You can see after you install the Power ISO, and you need to select mount and mount image. Before that, you need to set the number of drive to one drive. After that, you need to mount. You select mount image to drive G. After that, you just click open, and now you just need to open this computer, this PC, and then you see this. Just click on it, and yes, and it will automatically try this. And you need to select the destination. I'm gonna go for this, and next, and just click next, and wait it for install. After the installation is finished, you just click the finish button, and you need to right click on this and select open, and there's crack folder. You just need to click it and you copy it. Just copy and minimize all of this. Minimize. And there's a Pro Evolution Soccer icon here. You just click and open file location. And also you need to paste here. Paste. And click replace all the file in the destination. And also remember guys, the crack fix. We downloaded. You just need to go this and extract files. Okay, extracts. And this is the folder. Okay, you also need to copy this. Copy and paste it in here, and paste and replace. And then guys, you got your Pro Evolution Soccer 2017 for free. You can close all the things here. Close. And just before that, you need to make sure that you got your setting. Depends on your computer. I got a high computer, so I can go for high. Okay. So good. You need to make sure that you got a good computer so you can run. And you just need to, before that, you go to properties and go to the compatibility and click this, run this program as administration and apply and OK. And now you just refresh, and now you just open this file, wait for a while, click yes, and you're done, guys. Now you can play your PES 2017 for free. I'm sorry, it's not supposed to.